Hey, what's up YouTube? Long time without making videos, and this time I got a surprise for you. I got an MBRP slip-on exhaust for the Can-Am. So, and I bought this a few weeks ago. It's from Amazon. It's Enjoy MFG seat cover for 90 bucks. I think it will hold up great. Looks like great build and solid build. And today we're gonna install that. So without further ado, I'm gonna just start the bike so you can hear the stock sound, and after that we're gonna hear the pipe sound. Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty good for that. Now we're gonna install the exhaust. So in the color right there, you have 15 millimeter, and these one here are 1/2 inch. So you got one there, one on the bottom, and one there. That's 3 bolt, and then you're ready to install the slip-on. So let's go loosen that color first. I got my impact for this. Hopefully it's strong enough. Looks like that bitch is rusted out there, so we're gonna use a ratchet. Good old fashioned way. That impact is not super strong anyway, but let's try with this guy. If I can loosen it. Yeah, might gonna need an extension for that. Alright. Way longer. I'll try this one. Because the longer of the socket might gonna be good. Let me try that. Alright. Was not that super tight, but the impact won't remove it. Now it's good. It's gonna. I need to buy a 3/8 or a 1/2 inch impact. I need this in my life. That's my next purchase. I did save up a lot of money to buy this exhaust because it's not cheap, guys. $744 for this unit. So yeah, that's not cheap. Now we're gonna remove the 1/2 inch there. Right here, you got one on the top. I guess if you open the lid in the back, you're gonna have an access to it. Well, maybe not. Oh yeah, you got a little access there. So I'm gonna take a 1/2 inch. Should have that somewhere. Right here. I'm gonna take this guy here. Maybe with a little extra long extension. Nice. Remove this guy. I think if I go right there, I should be okay. Alright, I'm on it. Right away. Yeah, if you open the lid, you can go. You open the lid and you can go right there. So you go to the bolt, and it's really easy like that way. So let me remove that bolt from there. There's a washer with it. Be careful not losing it, because I think we have to reuse those for the installation. And now we got a bottom bolt, which is right there in the bottom. It's, I guess it's 1/2 inch too. So we're gonna go and proceed to remove this. I don't know if you can see like that, guys. Hopefully yes, because it's a one-take video. I don't want to do some montage today. I'm working soon, so yeah. Oh damn it! I need a shorter one. one not fitting right. I got a shorter one right here. Trick. We're gonna move that thing from there. Yep, the garage is still a mess because I don't have time to clean everything. Right here, hopefully you can see it. And you remove the second bolt. Just like that. Okay. I'm gonna go with the open key. Just like that. And I lose the nut. This guy. Alright. Both of the washer came out. I got the other bolt right there. The nut is under the tire, so there now. Yeah, still tight. Is there three? I guess it's two. It's only two. Maybe the collar is okay. Yeah. It's removed. It's removed. I'm gonna try to get it there and try to remove it. So I'm gonna put you up there, guys, for now, so you can see what I'm doing. Close the lid. It's a tight fit, man. I'm gonna move this away so it doesn't fall on my head while I'm over there. I'm gonna try to open up that color a little bit. I guess it's that guy that got so many shit. Jeez. I really need to do a good cleanup in there. I really need to do that. Let's try to open up that color a little bit. Stuck right there. Let's take a hammer. Try to hammer this out. Try it. Got it just a little bit. Damn it. It's freaking holding right there. Looks like that come out. Alright. A little bit of wiggling, but we got it. So we got that heavy piece of garbage right there. I saw on some machine, or I don't know, whatever, the color was welded on it, tack welded on it, but this one looks like it's not tack welded on it. I'm gonna remove it. Yep. On some machine that I saw on YouTube, it's tack welded on the exhaust, but this one's definitely not tack welded there. Just there. That thing is heavy. That exhaust is not that heavy. Well, it's heavy too, but less than this. And if we talk about aesthetic, it's gonna be nice to have this unit. Alright, so here we are. Here it is. Oh, it's baffled too. Yep. Look at this. Nice unit. Powder coat, black powder coat on the tip. See in there. That's pretty nice. So, I'm just going to lift the camera a little bit so you can see better. So now I'm going to install that piece of pipe right there. It goes right there, but I'm not going to tight it all the way. because I want to be able to adjust it if needed to for the last 2 bolts on it. Nice. So yeah, let's pull out your, oh yeah, I got some sticker, more HP, bro. At 5 HP for each one. That's nice. Thank you, MBRP. But seriously, this exhaust will give you 1 HP to the wheel. 1 HP to the wheel. Not that bad. Now I think it's oh yeah, it's 1/2 inch for the new color. 1/2 inch all the way. Whoa, 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 whoa. Where are you going? That's my brand new helmet. Just got that a few weeks ago too. I don't know how I'm gonna sit the collar like that. MBRP's gonna be like this, so I'm gonna sit this right there. I'm gonna tighten it just a bit so we can't get out of there, but hey, come on. Come on, dude. I don't know where that color goes. Oh, maybe that's right. It can go out now. And I think they give you a brand new color to install in the front. And some kit I saw on YouTube, there was nothing. And it gives you this this ring. I guess it's to put over the other part of the exhaust like this. I don't know where it's going. Yep, it's going over the exhaust like that. I don't know. It's going over it. And then you got that collar. I don't think it's 1/2 inch. It's really small. Oh no, it's not 1/2 inch. We'll see. I guess it's 12. Well, it's 11. Maybe 3/8. Not 3/8. 7/16. That's a 7/16 bolt for the collar. I did loosen it up a little bit more just to be able to put my pipes on it. I'm gonna check out what the paperwork said. Here, what this paper said. It show you the installation, I guess. Yeah. Show you how to clean the spark arrestor and stuff like that. Installation is right there. So yeah, like this bolt, but it's not. It's showing you in the figure 1 the old collar that I removed, not showing the actual one I got with a kit. So I don't know. Yeah, they don't show a lot. And the back here they show you all the kit. It's going there, there, there. It's going to be pretty nice. So yeah. So I think the collar goes on this one. Might have to stretch it a little bit, but it has to go there, I guess. Yeah. I'm not sure. It can go inside though, because it's not fitting inside. So it has to go, of course, over it. So I had to extend it a little bit to make it fit on there. Pretty great. I put it like that. Put it like that. And we're gonna put the collar first too, because that's first. So the collar doesn't fit over this thing. Collar doesn't fit over this thing. And if I completely remove it, can I put it back in? And the answer is not. So I don't know. Yeah. Seems easier on YouTube. If I just put this, it's not gonna hide all those slid. How the old ones do. Yeah, the old one was pretty much the same thing, was crumpled. So, and if I reuse the old one, like everyone does on YouTube, and it's not even fitting in there. So I'm gonna put this one right away, tighten it the best I can, but I wish I could install that over it, but I can't really much, because if I do, this limb's not fitting anymore. This limb's the same size, so I'm gonna try it without this guy. I don't know. We'll try it. When you try, you learn. So that's pretty much it. So I did not tighten this collar all the way, so I can't install it. Alright, it's fitting really good on this. And I need to install that there. Oh, yeah. Very straightforward installation. That's nice. Just gonna let it hang out there. Get the hardware out. It's just a piece of rubber that we use, so you don't need to reuse the old hardware. You can't. And if you want, you can't. This guy goes right there. You lose the washer, then you're looking for it. And the tire. That's pretty straightforward. Alright. Install that there. Alright. Now it's tight there. We'll turn this just to tighten the hair more. Alright. Now we're going to install the bottom one. There. We're going to install the bottom one. Yeah, gold. Right there. I'm sure I've installed that before installing the exhaust. That will have been easier. But me, I don't like to do easier stuff. I like to do hard stuff. Yeah. Not easy at all when you have the pipe in your face. But I managed to get it. Alright. Now you put the pipe into that, and that's done. It's way nicer on the quad too. This guy there. Try to put the nut on it. Alright. Should have gone with the extension. That's pretty nice. Alright. Alright. These are 1/2 inch too. Yep, 1/2 inch. I'll tighten them with keys and the right ratchet doesn't go there, I guess. There's not a lot of space between that nut and that bracket, I tell you. I bought this quad in like 2019, and I always wanted to put a pipe on it, but never really had the money to do it. I had a job that doesn't pay really much, so I could go for the payment of the quad and all my truck and stuff. So that sucks when you don't have a lot of money, guys. But now this year I got a new job. It paid well, so I can afford a little bit more stuff. So I did bought this pipe. I guess I'm gonna have to go with that. this thing, there's no coating on it. So if you want, you can polish it and it's gonna came back to life in no time. And the tip is powder coated, so you can sand it, paint it the way you want if you want. So yeah, but till the powder coating is good, I'm gonna leave it like that. So back is not all the way tight. I need to tighten this guy here. This little collar right there, I'm gonna tighten this guy. I'm gonna tighten the front one, and I'm gonna tighten the last bolt in the back there. But I need to open the lid and go there with the extension again, which I'm gonna do right now before I forget it, because I'm this guy. Forgot to tighten bolts and stuff like that. Looks tight. And socket is right there. Yeah, this thing's gonna move till you tighten up the collar, I guess. So let's tighten the first one right here. Hopefully I can't go there with my impact wrench. It's already tight now. Tight fit. Let's. Oh my god. Oh my god. And this one was 7/16. The front one 7/16. I did not install that collar with it, that little collar, because it was not fitting right. I'm gonna try it that way, and if it's not working, I'm gonna install it the other way. Yeah. I need to tighten it just to have it. I need to tighten this. There. Now I'll lose it behind the wheel. Again. Damn it. I lost everything. Just gonna tighten it by hand until it's solid there, and then I'm gonna be able to sand it. Oh, I guess it's good there. Can't go any further with my hand, so let's tighten this guy. Looks tight. So yeah, now it's installed. Look at that. Looks so nice. Then the big piece of metal you have from the company. Well, that's so nice. Now let's hear it for the first time. It sounds so good, guys. That's crazy. Yep, pretty happy about it. It's pretty straightforward install. I look like an idiot trying to install that, but you see it, and it definitely worth the $700. Yeah, no doubt on that. I really like it. Changed the sound a lot. So that's basically it for this video. I would try to do a running video and stuff like that, but of course it's a freaking mess in there, so I can't really get the quad out and without moving an engine and stuff. So it's good there for now, and I have to go to work in an hour or two. Yep, an hour. So yeah, that's gonna be for the next video, I guess. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Peace, guys.